Okay, so now there are three parts to a paragraph. We have the topic sentence. It's also called the introduction. Then we have the body. So this has details, supporting sentences, more examples, the fluff inside, right? And then the last sentence should be your conclusion. So the ending, right? It has to have a nice ending. So the way I like to explain this is that it's kind of like a sandwich. So excuse my poor drawing, but this is supposed to be a sandwich. So we have the bread on top, right? The bread. So this is like the topic sentence. The body, which is the meat, the cheese, the lettuce, the tomato. And then we have the bread again at the bottom. So the topic sentence and the conclusion are going to have similar ideas, right? So I'm going to give you some examples or an example of a paragraph. So let's take a look at my paragraph. Okay. So here I have, first when you write a paragraph, right, or you're submitting a paragraph to me, you're going to put your name, the date, and the assignment, right? So this is going to be assignment 2. And that's going to be on the corner side, right? Then, I erased this. So then you're going to, in the middle, have the title, right? And notice that we have so the M, the F, and the C, they are capital letters. So when you have a title, the first letter of each word is capitalized. In some cases, with like prepositions or some of the articles, they aren't, but I'll go over that another time. So for now, we'll just focus on this. Okay, when you're done with that, you skip a line. You go over here. Okay, you notice that this red line here, right? So the red line, I made a space, and then I started my first sentence. So this is how we start a paragraph. You have to, and this space here is called an indent. Indent. So that is, let's see. Okay, this is how you spell indent. Indent. So now I made my topic sentence. It says, my favorite city in the world is New York City. Now you know what my paragraph is going to be about, right? It is going to be about New York City. So now I'm going to talk about the details about why it's my favorite city. So I wrote, New York City is a very interesting place. The people are very friendly. There are many things to do in New York City. I think New York City is very diverse. There are many people from all over the world. I love New York City, or I love visiting New York City. Okay, so this is a very short paragraph. I gave you a few details. So this has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has 7 sentences, right? I have my topic sentence. I have the body. So that's a few sentences about why it's my favorite city. And then the concluding sentence, right? So I didn't end it with just like it has many people from all the world. I'm bringing it back to me, right? Because it's about my favorite city. So I'm saying I love visiting New York. So I mentioned me, my love, or my my interest in the city and what city it is, right? So this is the idea of how you should be formatting your paragraphs. Okay, so for your assignment, we aren't going to be talking about cities, but we're going to be introducing ourselves, talking about ourselves first, and then we'll talk about some other interesting topics to write about. Okay, I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.